Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see how to draw a pentagon. Now this is a pentagon by 72 degree method or 108 method. I generally don't recommend this method because the accuracy level is very less, but still few people were asking me, so I'm doing this. So first you draw AB, then from point A you take 108. It will be between 100 and 110. 108. Same way from point B we'll take 108. Then from B you draw that line passing through that point, and from point A. Then what you have to do, you have to take AB and from B you cut on the right side and from A on the left side like this. Then again from those points you can again cut 40 side of the pentagon. So you'll get A, B, C, D, E. When you join, you'll get pentagon. This is pentagon by 108 method or 72 degree method, whatever you want to call. But I generally don't recommend this because it is not that accurate. So there is nothing wrong with the method, but at times the way you do it, it matters a lot. So what I've seen generally that people go wrong in this method. That's why I generally don't recommend this. Thank you.